All right, let's do some science here, guys. Okay, so we got the screws here to mount the battery. And I already read the instructions a couple times. Basically, you have to open up the top and then you peel this off the top. Then you add this electrolyte. By removing this, flipping it upside down, and letting it drain into the battery for at least 20 minutes. Oh, it scared me. So it kind of made like a hissing noise when I opened it. That was kind of weird. Okay. It says, do not open. And then the instructions tell you, open. You just have to be really careful because you have to reuse this little black plastic piece that I'm pulling off to go in and cover those holes. And then it's just this little like foil cover. So we're gonna add this electrolyte to the battery, which ultimately creates a chemical reaction and allows the battery to start holding a charge. Here we go. We're just gonna push this down firmly. Okay. And then we let it drain out. We should see the bubbles filling up the entire container until it's just air in there. So we'll let that sit for about 20 minutes. All right, so I let the battery sit for a while now and let all the electrolyte liquid leak into there. Got that part done. Now I just gotta put this little, you see this little black cover on it, and then that's the last instruction. So I don't think I have to charge it or anything. I think I just use it. All right, I think we're good. It's packed, and that is sealed up nicely. All right, so this thing's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and install it in there, and hopefully it fires right up. Luckily, this ATV, this battery just slides and sits right in there. On some of my other ATVs, it has just been a nightmare to get these things in. This will be the test, the ultimate test. Will it start right up? It's new battery. Getting nervous. Fire right up! Let's go! Yes, sir!